Is your alarm on your Samsung phone not going off on time? This can happen because of software glitches, settings errors, or do not disturb mode interfering. It's important to fix this so you never miss an important wake up or reminder. Don't worry, here's how you can quickly fix the alarm issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off silence alarms when system sound is off. First, open up the clock app, then tap on three dots. Next, tap on Settings. Here you will find the Silence Alarms when system sound is off option. Now turn it off. Solution 2. Allow permissions. Open Settings app. After that, scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Apps. Now scroll down and find the clock app. Then tap on it. Next, tap on Permission. If you see the music and audio is not allowed, then tap on it. Next, tap on Allow. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Clear cache. Go to the home screen. Press and hold on the clock app. Then tap on eye icon. After that, scroll down slightly. Then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache from the bottom right side. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap General Management. Now scroll down again. After that, tap Reset. Scroll down once again. Now tap Reset all settings. Then tap Reset settings. Again tap Reset. Wait for a while. I hope your problem is fixed now. If this video helped you, please like it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.